Okay, there you go. Yeah, it's a perfect time. Ooh, hello, namaste. You're from
Nepal.
Nepal. Okay, and my two gorgeous ladies sitting behind. Hello, please remove your mask. I am from Ukrul district.
I'm so bad.
Oh my god. So, two Miss Chaganabis.
Chakanabis? What's that?
Chaganabis.
Chakanabis.
Okay, I will explain later. Okay, she was on my previous live like almost a year ago. So guys, we are heading to the one of the most iconic place called Qatar National Library. It is amazing. We have never been this place and we're going for the first time, and we're gonna show you. I'm not sure, guys, are we allowed to take videos and picture inside?
Yes, we are.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna show you how inspired this place, and this is so iconic, so unique and modern, and also they have all the heritage collections. It's like a museum. This one, I saw them in the pictures and the videos, but okay, we are almost there. I'm gonna change the look, the view. Just checked it out, and we are from Doha. We're enjoying the life in Doha, a beautiful place. Miss Mata Awonshi and Miss Nagaland.
Professor, it's not Nagaland anymore.
We are entering the Qatar National Library. This is in the education city, the universities and everything they have.
It's your fault, okay?
Alright, let's hear from our brother from Nepal. Yes? It's been how many years you are in Doha?
Almost 10 years.
Oh, wow.
Jesus, 10 years! Wow! Guys, just think of it, how beautiful and how amazing Doha is. Brother from Nepal, he's here working for 10 years. You've been driving or doing the same profession or other? Same profession. Oh, wow. Which part of Nepal you're from?
Here is
Pokhara. Oh, I love Pokhara. I never been there, but I saw a lot of video. There's one guy, no, in Facebook. Pokhara the video. They have lots of food, amazing food. I have few friends here, good friends, so I explored a lot of Nepali food. Sir, what is the best thing about Doha?
best thing.
Yeah,
Is Lusail City.
Lusail City. I've been about culture, food, people, money. What is the best thing? Say in 10 years, what do you think the best about Qatar?
So money.
It's about money. Is it worth it? Like they pay you well, people are nice.
Yeah, nice.
See guys, amazing, huh? You should come and visit Qatar. It's not only about money something, it's about the culture, the diversity, and the historical areas, heritage and everything. Also FIFA, yes, of course, FIFA is here. Okay, ladies, want to say something before we enter? Because the golden hours is finishing.
Enjoy, guys. We'll entertain you today. So much.
Alright, bye-bye. See you, we're entering.
Don't like that. What you may wait for? Oh my goodness, I cannot believe.
Guys, this is the library.
Even my energy is gone.
And this library from outside, it looks like a folded paper. Natra, it's a folding paper.
Yeah.
Like when we used to play as a kid, akoina che folding tawraga sanabado adu do manbane. It's so beautiful, right? So simple yet elegant. I like the architect here. So most of the architects are from Europe.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, please come. So this is National Qatar Library overall. Ako'y mapam siya ure, and it's pretty hot and humid. It's like 45 degree almost. They have a small fountain. Also, they have inside cafeteria. I heard. We will check out the place. Also, this is the areas where you can park your car. And she's a fake architect of this building. I'm sorry, guys. We are kidding. Also, they have a tiny, cute buses. Oh, that's from, yeah. So, yalla, let's enter.
Hello guys, and we are taking over Tam's whatever channel.
Whatever channel.
Let me
Today I'm going to be the fake architect. I don't know anything about this place, but yes.
This is the overall interior of this library. First of all, the information decks and also these computer are for public. Anyone can use it, I guess, to track the books and the sections where you need to find. This is self-borrowing stations. Today I'm gonna register. Hello, do you have any idea about this library? Do you want to talk about it?
I'm so sorry. This is my first time. I'm just checking around.
Okay. Oh,
Have
which
fun.
what kind of book you are interested?
I think I'm interested in like biography. I want
Okay.
to know about people,
I see.
like how they come up with, so that gives encouragement
I see.
to my life. to
You
my
gonna
boring
borrow
life.
something? Are you gonna borrow any kind of book today?
Can we borrow?
Yes, we have to register.
Okay, let's check it out then.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Perfect. So every steps you climb, you will see a different sections. Now I have reached the physics, the chemistry. I haven't explored yet how to find the shelves number, the stairs, and the book section. I'm just going it randomly now. This is a biology and natural history. So let's go. Let's keep going. They have the botany, zoology, human anatomy, physiology. Okay, this is my favorite section. These are the novels. Okay, let's go through it. These are the novels. Amazing. I have just registered myself through these info decks. They have a lot of computer. You need to put your QID, the residence number, and your details. Okay, so your information, personal details, and later you go to the user service decks, and the people, the staff will guide you to accept your registrations, and you can borrow the books for 2 weeks I guess like approximately, yes. And also you are access for the ebooks, which you can find from 1 million book. Isn't that so crazy? Like amazing. I'm not sure, but I got this one, rendering life molecular, for today. I'm gonna try it, and if I like to go for the ebooks, I'm gonna go home and check out their websites and explore what are the books available. And I really like the place. It's so meditative, it's so quiet. Of course it's a library, but I see a lot of the people are sitting with the computers, and yeah, so I can borrow books until 11 September. Today is 21st of August, and another for 21 days. I can renew again, which means if I don't finish my book, I can renew and delay for another 21 days, and it's a free of cost. Yes, I'm enjoying the place here already. It's so huge, it's so beautiful. This is the book return stations, which you can come on the next 21 days and just drop the books here. They have all the different national flags. I just took one book, and you can borrow up to six books at one time, and you can borrow up to 21 days. So it's super easy. There's a lot of systems on the computers there and near the information desk. You just need to write the book of the type of books, or maybe if you know the name or by the author, you can search anything, whatever and however you like. So once you search, they will show the maps and the location of the shelves. Where is it located? The book is located exactly, so it's easier for you by the maps or by the numbers. But for me, I'm still so confused because this is my first time. I literally had to ask the information desk and the security guy where is the number and what is the locations. Even though they have the maps, it's so difficult. She said call me. She's saying call me. Yeah, this is one thing. I am trying to locate a cookbook because I want to get new recipes and start practicing some salad and stuff and soup, but it's so hard to find. I'm tired of walking because my body is so stiff since last night I went to work out in gym. It's super heavy. Now all my muscles are so tired. I just got only one book, yeah, so far. And my friend, they are trying to register by themselves, and so they can get books. The best part is the ebooks would be amazing. I will go and explore once I reach home. So guys, this is a very good opportunity and the best facilities ever I have ever seen in Qatar. I mean, there are so many stuff which is amazing. The thing is, I get limited time to explore Qatar. This is one reason, but this is the place which I always wanted to come and explore. And today, finally, I'm able to manage because of my two friends. They literally dragged me my thighs here. Yeah, that's all about the Qatar National Library. This is amazing. Oh, and it's so quiet. They have everything. Yeah. So they have their own theater, guys. This is their theater. Maybe approximately this is 400 to 500 crowd. So guys, this is one of my favorite, which I always say. Also, reality, the fact is, as a human being, what we have realized and what we don't realize is we have worked so hard. Like, for example, for 5 years we're gonna work, right? Aina hek khangakpadai haitare ko aigi ima ipa or like my current generation oiragasu we have worked so much, like, and then we tend to forget how to take care of ourselves. Natra thabak suri kanda chahi manga thabak suraga paisa se tongzalani ba, like even cha da thakta gai tongsan ba mi yawi ko. So okay, so specifically those people who are cha da na thakta da na tongzan ba mi sing se ke da have matam da and they are not getting the enough nutrients in their body. Aduduna makoise nara ani ba narak pa matam da deficiency mayam ama leirani buko. Aduduna chahi manga thabak suraga paisa tongjan ba chahi manga gi savings sa numit manga ni the hospital da loisal lebuka. So this is the guys fact, which means koina taliba paisa sidagi akoi healthy living style da we should start investing like akoina paisa chaba thakpa means like akoi ki pathokai chaba nataba but nongmagi hakchang sida kai kai no important oi base khangdok pas yam important oi ko. I am not an expert, but just like my knowledge hai dare ko aina khangjabada or like what I have studied or aina thora ai macha research to matam da or something like because I'm doing a coach ki coaching ni ko torisa. So this is what I know thing na ba matam hai dare like maybe I'm doing with my clients ko worse na ba matam da moi sin se kem ta natte ba over obesity or overweight or things that hena chabagi su natti mo hena wat pagi wat lak padam body the side effect lak pagi noiba aduguma mama like there are a lot of scientifically effects adudi dum akogi medical terms mama like doctor expert mama na loina so habi ni khani makne aduduna we from today onwards like let your food be the medicines hai dare ko koina nungti gi chaga bas thakpa nungti gi lunch dinner breakfast saba matam sida khoi healthy no khoi gi hakchang na phangbam thokpa like protein carbs fats vegetable and fruits ising ko dagi tumba dagi stress manage to basing sa. This is very important that we have to focus and we have to talk about everyday life in an everyday life ko aduraga di khoina narakpa matam da instead of saving like 5 years ki paisa do numit mangani da loisan babudi like maybe in 1 day or 2 day da chahi ani khat ki pisa loisan bai tare, which means akoina chahi thaba wana suraga su khoi gi kemta lehau da isa gi lem hau da bai tare ko aduduna khoi je noma sum laira ba helak pa de ko. This is all about. Guys, I have a friend here from Manipur. He's the Tangkul from Ukhrul, Mr. Tan Singh, and
village.
He's from the village. We all are from village, and he's inviting us for a dinner. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Hi, Mr. Tan Singh. What are you preparing today?
I want to laugh right now for the moment.
Yeah, don't be shy. It's okay.
I'm just making a chutney.
Okay. Could you please introduce yourself?
You already said Mr. Tan Singh, right?
Mr. Tan Singh from where? From Ukhrul.
I'm Ukhrul,
Okay. And since how long you're working in Doha?
Almost 4 years now.
4 years. Perfect. Are you enjoying it?
Of course, I love my work.
Perfect. So what is the best thing about Doha?
I think it's about we.
We?
Yeah, we are the best thing over here.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Like, what do you
without
mean?
we, Doha is
Incomplete.
incomplete.
Exactly.
yes.
Okay, so guys, it means Doha is incomplete India. We are a proud Indian. Like, India is so diverse that people used to say like, oh, you're from Thailand, you're from Philippines. Like,
In terms of hospitality, we call it cocktail. Yeah, so it should be a
Cocktail.
cocktail country. You know.
exactly. India is such multi-culture, backgrounds. I'm so proud of being an Indian. You know, I will never compromise being an Indian. This is what I used to tell to the people. I never pretended to be an other nationality or being other foreigners. I always say like I'm a proud Indian. I'm Indian. And when there's like, I can judge the people literally how they react, right? How they react. Like if the person is so surprised that when we say Indian, which means they have not studied the geography so well.
We love India so much that this is an Indian product that we are gonna eat. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah, Mr. Tan Singh is such a good chef.
Oh my God, I'm from service.
Yeah, he's from the service and hospitality background. He loves to cook. Okay, so guys, by the way, if you happen to find a man in your life that you have to find a man who loves kitchen, I'm sorry, I'm not praising you. He's a friend of mine. I'm not okay. Besides dancing,
good.
okay. So which means cooking is not an easy task, right? All the women knows about this. Which means if a man really understand the task or the struggle of being in the kitchen, which means he knows, he understands the women life, how struggle. Yeah. Okay. Do you have any comments about this?
No,
What
I
kind
mean
of-
like It's just like, I just love to eat what I cook. It's not like that's it. I just love eating what I cook instead of.
And do you like cooking for other people?
There are selected people.
For example?
Would you like to say anything like, since you have been working in a multi-diversity environment, would you like to give any message to the people in Northeast, not only in India? Like, what is the best thing to work in the multi-diversity? What do you have learned? What people
I'm not prepared, but I always say to my close friends or to my family that do what you love, and I think I'm doing what I love. So if you do something which you love, then definitely you go ahead with it.
I see.
Don't just go with what people likes you to do. Do something which you like to do.
Amazing. Perfect.
Okay. Yeah.
Wow, that's the most inspiring, motivational, short speech to
Yeah.
say it.
One line.
So it means like
We'll
he's
end up
loving.
because we need to get ready for dinner. Yeah, we are
Yeah.
ready.
Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Tan Singh. I really love his kitchen, and I could see the man, with the hospitality and the customer service. And by the way, he's a manager of a big reputed company. I'm not gonna disclose like which company he's working.
Next time. Until
I'm
next
really
time.
proud of him. Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy. Mr. Tan Singh met some giza, liva, garlic, onion, king chili, mamma mia. So basically, this is like a beef or pork. I don't know, something like meat, smoked meat from Northeast. Also, he put some potato, bamboo shoot. I could see some tomato. What else? Some napakpi, nakupi, shamaroy. And especially this one is like, this is much like 1,000 times.
Oh my God.
I used to love Thai rice, Thai jasmine. I really like the smell is like so much, like 1,000 times better than the Thai rice. Thailand, okay, the rice from Thailand. This is why I call Thai rice. This is so good. Thank you so much. Kabun kap.
ขอบคุณค่ะ